nice to meet you. I'm Surin Choi from Korea Industry Daily, and I'm here to have an interview with your company, tURBO Group. So thank you for having an interview with us. And first of all, could you briefly tell us about your company and your products?
Hi, we at tURBO Group, we manufacture products for different industries like windmill industry and automobile industry, railway industry, and the processes that we've got in-house are forgings. We can do castings as well, aluminium gravity die casting and CNC machining and fabrications. This all is possible in-house with us.
What do you made for? Like what made you come here in this time?
Actually, South Korean market is unexplored area for us. We export to 40 countries, but we aren't doing much of the business in Asian market. And we think this is one of the best markets to come and have the relation with the companies over here. And we think we can do a lot of business in the future with the companies. So that is why we are here.
With Korean company?
Korean companies,
okay.
yes.
So have you ever participated in this kind of exhibition in Korea?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
This is the first time we are participating over here in Korea.
Welcome to Korea.
Thank you.
So, what's the difference? What are the differences between Korea exhibition in other countries?
We participated in Hannover Messe in Germany.
Germany.
At the starting of last year. Then we participated in Osaka show as well, starting of October. But this is one of the well-organized shows, and we hope that there's a good business with the Korean market.
So did you get any relationship in Japan or German?
Yes, we have clients in Germany, but we are building some with the Japanese and now in the Korea. Yeah, thank
Because
you.
our major clientele is in Europe. So in Germany, it's one of the main markets that we export to. And same we expect from Korea.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for speaking with us again, and hope all is well in the end.
Thank you.
Thank you.